Welcome to NEX3. We are a passionate team of quantitative developers, seasoned Forex traders, and data engineers dedicated to bridging the gap between complex institutional algorithms and everyday retail traders. We understand that the Forex market is chaotic, driven by emotion, and overwhelming with data. Our mission is to bring absolute clarity to your screen. NEX3 isn't just a charting tool. It is an end-to-end AI ecosystem designed to act as your personal trading analyst, risk manager, and strategy coach, all packed into one seamless web application. Let's walk through your central command center, the dashboard. When you log in, you are greeted with a personalized workspace, tailored specifically to your trading account. In the top right, our theme toggles allow you to switch between dark and light mode instantly, ensuring comfort during those long trading sessions. On the left, our intuitive sidebar houses the complete navigation for all 18 AI tools. Directly below the header, we have three crucial quick action cards. Announcements, where we push platform updates and urgent market alerts. Tutorials, this button opens the comprehensive modal we are exploring today, giving you a text-based walkthrough for every single feature, perfect for onboarding. Contact, a direct line to our admin support team for any technical troubleshooting via a built-in ticket system. The main grid below these cards displays your favorite tools, and you can even customize your workspace using the Edit Layout button to switch between grid, list, or compact views, as well as resize your icons from small to large. First on our list is the Powerhouse AI Signal Generator. Instead of manually weighing RSI, MACD, and moving averages, this tool does the heavy lifting for you. You simply select your currency pair and time frame, and the AI combines multiple indicator inputs into a confluence score. It then produces a straightforward directional trade signal, complete with a probability rating. It saves you hours of charting time and removes emotional bias from your decision-making. AI Forex Chatbot. Next, we have our AI Forex Chatbot. Think of this as your 24/7 virtual trading coach. It is a large language model specialized purely in the Forex market. You don't need to Google questions anymore. You just ask the chatbot about pivot points, complex hedging strategies, or risk management techniques, and it delivers educational, professional-grade answers instantly. AI Screen Chart Analysis. The third tool, AI Screen Chart Analysis, brings computer vision into your trading. Have you ever wanted a second opinion on a tricky chart pattern? Simply upload a screenshot of your current chart, and our proprietary AI instantly analyzes the formation. It will identify breakout points, flag potential reversals based on candlestick patterns, and tell you what the most probable directional move is for the next few candles. Strategy Tester AI. The Strategy Tester AI is arguably one of our most unique features. In the past, backtesting required complex coding skills. Here, you just describe your strategy in plain English, like by whenever the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA and the RSI is under 30. NEX3 then backtests your strategy against years of historical tick data, providing you with a comprehensive report including win rate, Sharpe ratio, and maximum historical drawdown before you even risk a single dollar. Market Scanner. The Market Scanner is designed for lightning-fast sentiment checks. It actively monitors the market for you, displaying a visual breakdown of buyer versus seller sentiment. For each pair you scan, you get a clear, color-coded sentiment bar alongside specific long versus short volume data, helping you see which direction the retail crowd is leaning. Indicator Dashboard. For deep technical traders, the indicator dashboard is an absolute necessity. It does not just show one time frame. It monitors 9 different technical indicators, including stochastic, Bollinger Bands, and ADX, across 7 distinct time frames, from 1 minute to daily. For every single major currency pair on your watch list, it provides a holistic, multidimensional view of market momentum at a glance. Fundamental and News Analysis. The Fundamental and News Analysis tool keeps you safe from black swan economic events. It automatically displays a scheduled list of high-impact economic events, But it goes further by parsing AI-generated Forex headlines. It tags each news item with a specific sentiment score, bullish, bearish, or neutral, allowing you to verify fundamental data alongside your technical charts. Support/resistance. Having solid support and resistance levels is the foundation of technical trading. The support/resistance tool automatically calculates and lists these critical psychological levels for up to 30 currency pairs. It uses algorithmic clustering to identify where the strongest buy walls and sell ceilings are, giving you precise zones for placing your entry and stop-loss orders. Popular signals. Next is popular signals. This feature acts like a market-wide aggregator. It scans the entire platform to find the most active, trending signals. For each trending signal, it delivers ready-to-use, highly actionable data, including the precise entry price, the suggested stop-loss, and the immediate take-profit target, so you can capitalize on market momentum in real time. Positioning data. Positioning data gives you insight into the smart money, institutional traders. Instead of guessing what the big banks are doing, this tool shows you current institutional positions and net flows across various currency pairs. It helps you avoid trading against the whales and aligns your retail trades with institutional money flow. Stock Investigate. Although we are primarily a Forex platform, the Stock Investigate tool allows you to conduct a deep dive analysis on specific trading pairs or related equities. You can look under the hood, analyzing both the technical setup and the fundamental drivers of a specific asset, ensuring you never buy blind. Trading Simulator. The Trading Simulator is your ultimate practice arena. It creates a completely risk-free environment with a live, updating chart. You can open and close virtual trades, test out new strategies, and manage your virtual balance in real time. It allows you to fail forward and refine your style without destroying your actual trading account. Trading Journal. Accountability wins trades. Our Trading Journal acts as a detailed audit log. You log every single trade, the pair, direction, exact entry/exit prices, lot size, and personal notes on your emotional state. The system then automatically calculates your total P&L, win rate, and other critical performance metrics, helping you identify what works best for you. Economic Calendar. The Economic Calendar is your essential scheduling tool. It lists all upcoming high-impact economic events, interest rate decisions, and jobs reports. We provide the exact event time, the affected currency, the historical versus forecasted data, and the expected impact level. You can filter it to see only the news that actually matters to your current open positions. Pip Calculator. Our Pip Calculator eliminates the math anxiety when setting trade sizes. Just select your currency pair, the trade lot size, and your entry/exit prices, and it instantly calculates the exact pip value. It also projects your total profit or loss in your base currency, so you know exactly how much money is on the line for every single pip movement. Position Size Calculator. Risk management is the #1 rule of survival in Forex. The Position Size Calculator takes this seriously. You simply input your total account balance, the percentage of your account you are willing to risk per trade, and your stop-loss distance in pips. The AI immediately recommends the exact, optimized lot size required to keep your risk perfectly within your predefined bounds. Market Heat Map. The Market Heat Map gives you a bird's-eye view of the entire Forex market in a single glance. It visualizes price changes across dozens of currency pairs and time frames. Pairs painted in green indicate upward gains, while red indicates losses. It is an incredibly powerful tool for spotting macro trends and finding which currencies are currently moving aggressively across the board. Welcome. Currency Strength Meter. Finally, we have the Currency Strength Meter. This is your ultimate trend-following tool. It ranks the 8 major global currencies based on performance across multiple time frames. It instantly identifies which currencies are currently the strongest and which are the weakest. By trading the strongest currency against the weakest currency, you align yourself with the most probable market momentum. And that covers all 18 of our AI-powered tools inside the NEX3 trading workspace. We built this platform to take you from chart analysis to trade execution faster and more accurately than ever before. Whether you want to backtest a creative strategy, perfect your risk management, or just chat with an AI to learn a new concept, NEX3 is ready. Your AI-powered trading journey starts now. Head over to our website, create your account, and take control of your markets. Thanks for watching and good trading.